This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Envision a brand new farm-style traditional home designed with an open floor plan. First floor features laminate wood flooring, natural lighting and a gourmet kitchen boasts with a pot filler, soft close illuminated cabinetry and spacious center island with integrated sink. Retreat to the luxurious primary suite, highlighted by tray ceilings, recessed lighting, walk-in closet and stunning private bath with dual sinks. It gets better. Unwind on the private balcony, a serene oasis for relaxation. There's more. The junior suite comes with a private bath, complemented by 2 additional bedrooms sharing a dual entry bathroom. Just minutes from military bases, shopping, major interstates, and more. Take advantage of this opportunity. Schedule your tour before it's gone. December 19, 2025 for more information.